So my iPhone 12 mini just came in. I reviewed the iPhone 12 and I'm waiting for the 12 Pro Max to come in. I've been using large flagship phones for many years, and to be totally honest with you, I wasn't even gonna review the 12 mini because I thought of it as a lower end iPhone. But having used the 12 for some time and appreciating its performance and its smaller form factor, I got more and more interested in the mini, and now I have to admit that this could actually be the unboxing I'm most excited about. So let's ramble.
Hold up, place go wild when I pull up. They all on me like it wants.
What's up guys, it's great to see you all again, and if you're new here, I'm Patrick and this is where I ramble about tech and other stuff. So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 mini Black and have a first look at it. I'll use it for at least 24 hours before I give you my full review, and I will also unbox and review the new 12 Pro Max once that hits my doorstep. So if you're interested in that, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified when those videos are up. So let's unbox this thing. So definitely the first thing you'll notice is how tiny this box is. I mean, the box of the 12 was pretty small, but this is even smaller. I grabbed the box of my 11 Pro Max just to compare, and look at the difference. This box feels massive right now. Anyway, I'm not going to waste much time talking about what's inside, or rather what's not inside. We already know this. There's one Apple sticker and one USB-C to Lightning cable. So let's go for it. It's so tiny. Now, I have to admit, peeling off this paper isn't exactly as satisfying as peeling off the plastic used to be, but I guess it's a small price to pay for a better environment. It still feels nice though. Look at that. So here it is. I'm sorry for being a massive YouTube cliche, but I just have to say it. It feels good in the hand. You know, in my review of the iPhone 12, I compared it to the iPhone 5 because of its look and feel. But this one, the mini, is probably closest to the 5. I think it's somewhere between the 5 and the 6. The big difference though is the lack of bezels, which makes the actual screen much bigger than the 5 and even the 6. And of course, we all know by now that the entire iPhone 12 lineup has that beautiful crispy OLED display. So I'll go turn this on now and run a quick setup and get back to you, so I don't need to bore you with any of that. So here we are guys, it's on and looking as beautiful as expected. This, ladies and gents, is a one-handed phone. I have relatively small hands, so anything larger than the regular iPhone 12 is a two-handed device for me. Don't get any ideas, I have big feet, just saying. I ordered the black version because I do really like that the best, and I'm still not 100% decided which model I'm gonna keep for personal use. So ordering the black was a just-in-case decision. But if black's not your jam, the mini comes in all the same colors as the regular 12. It's got the aluminum sides, which I actually prefer over the stainless steel fingerprint magnets, but I'll slap a case on it anyway, so it's not really a big deal for me. So in terms of specs, it's pretty much identical to the regular iPhone 12. It has 5G, it has both a wide and an ultra-wide lens with 2x optical zoom. It has 4 GB of RAM just like the 12, and it has the same A14 Bionic chip. Now, I can't get over how impressive this is in such a small iPhone. In many ways, this is more powerful than an average laptop, which I think is pretty amazing. Probably the most important difference apart from the smaller size is the smaller battery. The battery on the iPhone 12 does last a full day for me, but it's definitely dead by the end of the day when I've used it a lot, which is most of the time. So most likely this iPhone mini won't make it to the end of the day, at least not the way I use it. But I can definitely see advantages of the small size. It definitely fits in your pocket, and it's even easier to place the MagSafe charger correctly. I mean, there's not a lot of room to mess up. So guys, I'm gonna be using this for at least a day and then come back to you and give you my full review. I will also review the 12 Pro Max as soon as it comes in, which is hopefully Monday. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider becoming one. Your sub would go a long way in helping the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.